Hi guys, welcome to another recipe video. This time we're going to go back in Europe. To be more specific, we're going to go back in France. We're going to do Ratatouille. It's a recipe that comes from, well, it originated from Provence in France, of course, and there's a lot of different versions of it. I'm going to do the basic one, the one that is very fast to do. I'm not going to change a whole lot about it. I'm just going to put a little bit more pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. Got it. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Like I said, there's a lot of way to do it. Like always, you put the ingredient that you like, but I'm going to give you the basic. So let's go and try it. And like always, guys, I hope you try it. And like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.